North vs. South by Kaleo Chapek, Michaela Jeskowitz, Jared Brown, and Madison Zander. Harriet Tubman was once a woman enslaved. After she escaped, she started going back to help the other slaves to freedom. She led and helped thousands of slaves to freedom through the Underground Railroad, where they would all hide during the day and travel during night. They would travel north to get away from the slavery. What had helped them was following the Northern Star. Slavery happened in the South. They would sell the slaves for forced labor. A lot became skilled carpenters or blacksmiths. Most enslaved people worked in fields tending tobacco, cutting sugar canes, or picking cotton.
In the early 1800s, many people had slaves to pick cotton on plantations. This was stressful and frustrating work. In 1790, only about 3,000 bales of cotton were produced. In 1800, about 73,000 bales of cotton were produced. In 1810, about 178,000 bales were produced. In 1820, about 335,000. In 1830, about 732,000. In 1840, about 1,348,000. In 1850, about 2,136,000. And in 1860, about 3,841,000 bales of cotton were produced. These increasing numbers were the result of more slaves entering the South and the invention of the cotton gin. This invention caused more rapid cotton production. Eli Whitney invented the cotton gin, which was a machine that picked out the seeds instead of doing it by hand. Eli also created the interchangeable parts. Interchangeable parts was a process to manufacture guns instead of replacing the whole entire gun. And that's how the North and South were separated during the Civil War.